If your vehicle is declared a total loss, either via an accident or is stolen, your motor insurance company will only pay out to you what your vehicle is worth at that point in time. As new and used cars rapidly depreciate in value, as much as 60% in the first 3 years. Unfortunately, this leaves many vehicle owners left out of pocket when their car is written off. If you purchased a new car for £20,000, then it was declared a total loss from an accident or theft 18 months later, and your insurance company value your car at just £15,000, and a replacement vehicle was £25,000, you would be left with a £10,000 shortfall. Gap insurance, short for Guaranteed Asset Protection Insurance, protects vehicle owners in these very situations. Going back to our example where we were left with a £10,000 shortfall, with a gap insurance policy, it would pay out the £10,000 difference, so you could replace your vehicle with an up-to-date model at the same specification. With our vehicle replacement gap insurance, in the event of your vehicle being declared a total loss, we will pay out the difference between what your motor insurer pays and the cost of a new replacement vehicle with the same specification. Our independently 5-star rated vehicle replacement gap insurance policies cover you from 1 to 5 years for new and used cars, covers all factory-fitted optional extras, and includes free transferable cover, amongst many other benefits. If you need the peace of mind a gap insurance policy provides at an affordable price, contact our friendly gap insurance specialists or purchase online at our secure website. As one of the largest gap insurance providers in the UK, you are in safe hands with Direct Gap.